Hello everybody and welcome to Hydraulic Master once again. Today I'd like to show you some similarities and differences between the HM line radio remote controller and a Juuko radio remote controller. Now both of these systems can be used for very similar activities, and both systems are also available in 12 or 24 volt DC. They also come with 4, 6, 8, 10 or 12 functions. As you can see here, this is a 6-function HM line. We've got the 8-function HM line and the 8-function Juuko here just as examples. And in addition to that, you've got the 12-function HM line, 12-function Juuko system. So the main difference is, well, the HM line is less expensive. It also, the radio remote control system here, the controller is operated with 2 AA batteries, where the Juuko system has wireless charging. So you can just, like maybe with your mobile phone, you can leave this on a wireless charging pad and that will charge the handset. And of course, both on-off switches at the bottom of the system. Emergency stop, again, as you would expect on both systems, and the functionality is almost identical. Okay, the HM line system comes with a 1 meter cable, which of course has got connectors on, which we provide. We also provide connectors for the Juuko system, and this comes with about a 1.5 meter cable for you to attach to your own system. And we also provide both systems with a 24-month warranty when you buy it direct from Hydraulic Master. I hope that's been helpful for you. As always, if you've got any questions about this or any other of our products, please get in touch, shop@hydraulic-master.com, or you can visit our website, hydraulic-master.com. Thanks very much and have a great day.